Hi, in this video, we'll walk through how to find the full part number for a 5000 series pressure switch, specifically for part number 8343550. This pressure switch is configured as a single normally closed NC circuit, designed to open when system pressure reaches 50 psi, with a tolerance of plus or minus 5 psi. The actuation point is factory set but can be finely adjusted within a limited range to meet specific application requirements. It features a 1/4/18 NPT threaded base for compatibility with standard fittings, and its stainless steel base assembly ensures corrosion resistance and long-term durability in industrial environments. The unit includes two 8 to 32 AX 1/4 screw terminals, providing secure and reliable electrical connections. Let's see how to find it. Go to Honeywell IA support portal. In the search window, type keywords like part number 8343550. A list of related knowledge articles will be displayed. Identify the article in the list. Open the resource article. Find the respective article and click the link. It will open the article. In the answer/solution section, you can see that the full complete part number for the 5000 series pressure switch with part number 8343550 is 83435-00000500-14. Thank you for watching.